about Thanksgiving and Christmas because we spend Thanksgiving with Maggie and she really counts on us.
Whoa! Way to go! Way to go!
Hey!
Don't try to help us.
Way to go!
Maybe
Way
they'll
to
have
go!
to drive up to you guys.
Okay.
Wonderful!
Be good.
Wonderful. Stay still!
That's the best I've seen.
That was the best, girls.
What?
That was the best.
Alright, let's get aboard.
Don't you think, Nessa?
Yep.
No, I don't. Slide over next to Grandpa.
Yeah. Someone clean the poo off?
I did.
Yeah.
I washed it all off. I'm filming, if you're wondering. I'm not.
Oh, you're fat.
Yeah, you can.
I'm smiling at him.
I'll walk off the end of the dock.
Yeah. When you hit the life jacket, stop.
Alright, get up.
Water back on.